Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. As always, hope everybody had a fantastic day of trading today. As you can see here in the portfolio, another very strong day in the green, up 1.69% during active hours trading, 1823.45, with an additional 5498.05% in after hours trading. And you can see here, very strong day throughout pre-market as well as normal business hours trading. Did trend down a bit here, but did get back in the green, up 54.98 before closing out the day in after hours trading. As I scroll through my portfolio, you can see here, for the most part, almost all of my stocks in the red. There's a few individual stocks as well as financials in the red, but otherwise a very strong market. A lot of these stocks, 1+% in the green. Of note, Portola in the middle here, 4.27%. It's been doing very well over the past week here, up 5.7%. Over the last month, kind of an up and down pattern there, as you can see here. Still not quite back up to that peak, $66 or so, but getting very close to that. I think probably I'll sell off. If it hits 70, I'll sell off probably a quarter of my shares, anticipating a little bit of a pullback. And then if it pulls back, I'm going to be buying back. If the pullback is 5% or greater, I'll actually be putting additional money into the stock as well. So that's how I'm going to be trading Portola over the next couple of weeks or so. Otherwise, pharmaceutical companies, very strong. My defense stocks here in the middle, Boeing, BA, Lockheed Martin, LMT, down a bit, but only 0.3% in the red. And as I scroll through consumer discretionary, consumer staples, for the most part, all stocks in the green. Garmin there, individual stock, GRMN in the red, 0.43%. And as I scroll down to financials, you'll see here all of my financials in the red today. BOFI, HBAN, MS, and WFC, all in the red. Wells Fargo and Company, of note, 0.7% in the red. But otherwise, very good day. And then one more thing I want to note is on the bottom here, the impulse buy I did a couple days ago, Prospect Capital, PSEC there, trying to do a little bit of a dividend capture with some excess funds. My holding on the sidelines, you can see it's down another 2.67% today. So that's been probably one of the worst trades, if not the worst trade ever for the portfolio. Put $1,000 in, and now I think it's down 15% since I made that trade. So not a very good trade with that. And again, kind of reinforces the idea that you need to be very disciplined when doing trading. I did kind of an impulse buy. Essentially, I got bored at work, decided to try to do a little bit of a dividend capture over a 2-day time frame, and then it started trending out right after I bought that stock. So not a great play with that. Again, reinforcing the idea that you need to be very disciplined, and you need to really plan out your trades the day, if not the week before, really jumping into a stock. Doing it in a very sophisticated and deliberate fashion, not simply taking a look at stocks and then trying to buy on your break at work, or if you see a stock trending up or down, quickly jumping on to get some momentum trades in. Not a very good way of doing trading. Yes, you can make some money doing it that way, but very risky, and the downside, I think, definitely outweighs any potential upside and short-term profit you can make on doing those types of trading. So just really wanted to go over the portfolio. Don't have a video topic per se today. I was going to do some trading with AMD. Let's kind of go back to AMD here. Unfortunately, when I took a look at the stock this morning, it was trading in the 13.15 range here, so I really missed out. I should have jumped in yesterday. Thinking about maybe doing an AMD swing trade, either a day or swing trade yesterday. Should have jumped in, would have had a very nice play today. But as I saw the stock here trending 3.15, kind of didn't want to jump into the stock after it already trended up almost 4%. Didn't really maintain that gain throughout the day here. So we'll kind of see what happens to this stock over the next day here on Friday, and then moving into next week. If this does dip down below 12.50 or so, I'm probably going to jump in. And definitely if it hits down to the high 11s, I'm definitely going to jump into AMD and probably set up a swing trade over a couple week time span. Kind of missed out on AMD. A lot of you guys have been mentioning AMD as a great stock today in swing trading. That doesn't have necessarily the risk of a penny stock, but it's only a $12 stock, so very good stable stock like Ford, which I've done a lot of day trading, a lot of swing trading in, but definitely for tax purposes, don't really want to do any more trades for the next about 36 days, if I calculated correctly, to get my last dividend payment qualified. So just wanted to quickly talk about my portfolio, how it did today. Let me know how you guys have done in your portfolios over this nice little trend up in the stock market over the past week or so. Again, up 1.69%, active hours trading, 0.05% after hours trading, almost 1870 up today. Portfolio now sitting at just over 109,530. So very, very good week so far, and hopefully this continues. So not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it there. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. In the next video, we'll see you then.